Well, chat, we're here. Back at the ramp, gonna put the boat in. Maybe some of you will recognize the danger sign that I put in one of my thumbnails. Do I do it again? Get the angle? Do I do it again? I don't know. Don't want to drag it, you know? We're back. We'll be sending the boat shortly. My dad's getting it ready right now. There's a sailboat out there. Bird. Oh, they all skedaddled. Boat in the water. Heading out. Don't know exactly what we're doing because we still cannot get in our cabin because we still have to wait like 30 or so minutes. But we're cooking out of here. Benny, you're out in the open water now. Benny, there is no turning back. See the bottom? We're probably gonna cook out of here. Bottom is gone.
Trim it down. Okay.
Trim down the motor before you gun it.
Yep.
The goob's in the middle. Alright, Benny, get ready.
Benny's not ready.
Benny is not ready. He's about to freak. the front of the boat again, like always. Me and the, what time is it?
2 o'clock on the button.
Oh, okay, so we're cooking now. We're chilling. And Benny's geared. Benny's geared. My fingies are tired because I was holding my GoPro nice and tight. I ain't finna drop this thing. Whoa. Whoa. No bother. Benny, you're geared.
There's your ledge.
Yeah, this is where I'm gonna kayak out to, drop anchor, and just sit out here and jig my spoon. Or use live bait. To me, that sounds like a good idea. You bottom again. Oh, we're at the cabin now.
Yeah.
All right, we just got here. It's a little past 2, and we got the boat to the cabin. My dad's tying up right now, and who knows what's gonna happen. So this trip is a little bit shorter than the rest, so I'm gonna try to do a better job of tracking day by day and maybe filming a little bit more than I usually do. So hopefully this will be a more complete trip for my YouTube rather than just like random episodes with random different things going on. We're based on what happened last year. We're probably gonna end up doing manual trolling again, where we just cast out a crankbait and drag it along while my dad puts his trolling motor on max speed and we just go around ledges. I'm also planning on doing kayak fishing again, hopefully. Brent, am I really free? Please. Like,
That's 2 hits anyway. That's better than nothing. Just gotta get one in the boat. That was a decent fish too, damn it. Oh.
somewhat. Wait, so was the water colder last year?
I think so. We were smarter last year somehow.
Yeah. But Dad, I don't know what, I just felt something, I don't know. It's not moving though. Wait, no, maybe? I maybe got something. Oh, I don't know what that was. I think it just came off. Or it was a weed. I mean, my lure's clean now, but like I felt all of a sudden the twitching just stopped. Oh, that bait still is very warm. But I don't know if I can describe, I don't know what that was, but I don't know if I could describe it to you. It's like the twitching just all of a sudden just kind of stopped.
That could be a weed.
So I just assumed maybe it was fishy.
I don't know. Okay. Well,
Now what?
I don't know. We'll make one more pass back.
I don't care.
Or should we try some other baits right here? I think it's too warm and we should move.
Well, so then do you want to try to find, well, I want to try jiggling that spoon.
I can see it.
I know.
Motor a little more this way and then we'll turn around and see if we get it.
Okay.
Tyler, my line is going through the guide.
Well, my smallest view, I think. My most compact. You barely see them. They're just those little dots right there. Loons. They're moving away. There's another one somewhere over here.
I'm way back there.
Bonk. My spoon's leaving. Alright, so after our first day here, we went out and did 2 small fishing outings. And we went through quite a few different lures, but unfortunately had 0 results. I started with this guy, and I gave him quite a few casts, didn't get anything. I threw this spoon a couple times. Probably might try a different color the next time I go out. Just jigging this spoon, trying to see if I can't find a deep wally. If I move up here. I put on this like interesting Texas rig. This guy is very interesting. He's a big guy. I gave him a couple casts, didn't get anything, but I might keep him on for a couple more casts. I threw this black big whopper plopper a couple times, didn't get anything. A little disappointed because my dad got some bites on this black buzzbait, but unfortunately didn't get anything to the boat. And then we had this guy, which I was really thinking was gonna do the trick, because this is what worked last year, and we like did our hand trolling with it, and we made several passes at the mouth of the river where like a river flows into this lake, and didn't get anything. So yeah, I don't know what we're gonna do, but that was quite a bit of effort, and we didn't get anything. So probably gonna continue to try new lures, and I'll just try to show you the best I can when something actually does happen. So see you tomorrow, I guess.